that swims all day. G is for giraffe, tall and neat. H is for hat, my head's so sweet. I is for igloo made of snow. J is for jelly, wobble go go. K is for kite flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty cry. Roar! M is for monkey swinging tree to tree. N is for nest with chicks 1, 2, 3. O is for octopus with 8 long legs. P is for penguin that slides on its legs. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow shining down. S is for sun, warm and bright. T is for train chugging left and right. Choo-choo! U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for van with window panes. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for Lord, play it too. U is for yak with fluffy fur. Z is for zebra with a stripy blur. Now we know our ABC. Sing again and dance with me. ABCs are fun to say. We'll sing and learn more every day.